Hello students, welcome back. And in this video we are going to understand how if function works. So for this we are going to take help of the previous video, and in the previous video the task was that you will have to find out the cell reference whose score I want to know. Let's say if I want to know about Sunil Kumar, so this cell need to be selected, and in the message box its score need to come. For example, Sunil Kumar has scored 86, which is its score, but this time I don't want to highlight the score, I want to know its result. So I want the message to come, Sunil Kumar result is pass, fail or compartment. Now the condition is if the student out of total, in the total, if the student has scored less than 40, then fail. If between 40 to 60, then compartment, and then if above 60, then it's fail. So the condition is less than 40, then it's going to be fail. 40 to 60, compartment, and 60 above, pass. Okay, so this is the task right now, and not only in the message I want this result to come. If I'm looking for the score, the result of pin to sync, then the message, in the message box it should come pin to sync result is whatever, and that result need to come over here as well. So how to do this? So we have done the programming up till this level where the score has been established, means in the score variable the student's score is going to be stored. So on the basis of this variable we are going to apply an if function. So for this, if this is how you need to write, score is going to be less than 40, then now I have realized that I required another variable where I am going to store the result. So I am going to type dim result as string. Okay, if score less than 40, then result equal to fail. If you don't have any further conditions, then type end if and close this function. Nothing else need to be right, but we have got two more conditions, so I'm going to type here else if score if less than 60, then result equal to compartment, and the last condition need to be right like else whatever is left, which is pass condition, result equal to pass, and finally you will have to type end if and close this function. Now I want the result to come in this 8th column as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do find range dot offset row wise 0 column wise 8 dot value equal to result. Also we want a message box, so in the message box I'm going to type find range dot value result is result. Okay, that's it, and I'm going to run this program. Okay, so I have given, let's say, Mayank. So there it is. So Mayank Chatterjee has been selected. Also Mayank Chatterjee result is pass because it's greater than 60, and so it is coming. So this is how you can apply an if function. In the next video we are going to understand how and or function can be applied, and I will give you few tasks also related to if functions so that we can have a better understanding. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.